Hey, this is Attorney Walter Hnot. I'm just checking in to see if you are ready to go ahead and give an interview on YouTube.
I am.
Perfect. So what I want to go into are some basic questions, things that I think these guys are really going to be interested in knowing how the system works, what happens when they get there, stuff like that. I want to start off, though, with kind of an introduction for you. If you could keep it, simple, but still a little bit of detail. What vocational interaction, what kind of job did you have with the Social Security Administration?
All right. So I'm actually a hearing reporter. I am an independent contractor, so I'm not a direct hire for the SSA. I do work for a third-party company, and I am basically kind of the first point of contact for the claimant when they are coming into the hearing office for the hearing. And I transcribe the hearing, I monitor the recording equipment for the hearing, I handle all the legal forms and the invoices for any of the other independents as far as vocational experts, interpreters, etc. And then I go ahead and turn in all of the paperwork at the end of the day for the judges. And I did kind of want, if that's okay, Walter, I kind of wanted to give my own little disclaimer. You guys in the chat, you can ask me any questions that you want to. Just if you are from Florida, I do request that you don't ask me any questions regarding certain judges. I can't give out any of those personal information based on my opinions for those certain ALJs that are in Florida. I do work with tons of different judges from other states through DTCs, just like Walter explained to you guys by video in other states. But yeah, if you can ask me any questions, just it can be directed towards a certain judge. But yeah, so I transcribe the hearing for basically everybody. Whatever you guys say during the hearing, I'm typing it up, and I handle all of the recording equipment. So it is audio, and it is also a written recording. A written transcription for the SSA that has to be turned in at the end of the day.
Perfect. So and just so that everybody kind of understands the gravity of this, we actually have an individual who interacts on a direct level with the OHO, which is the hearing office that you go to for your administrative law judge hearings normally. Obviously, COVID-19 has kind of made that so that we don't go and everything's telephonic, but traditionally, this is the person who meets and greets with you before the hearing and is your guide through the hearing process. So the next question I have